Bonjour mes amis, je m'appelle Paul et vous regardez Le Monde Français. Si vous êtes intéressant à apprendre la langue française, vous pouvez bien faire comme ça. Hi friends, my name is Paul and if you're really interested in learning French, you are at the right place because Le Monde Français has brought a lot of videos for you to improve your French. Even if you are a beginner or you have started learning French, so these videos are going to help you a lot. So stay tuned with us. First of all, you need to understand to learn any language what we need. We need to understand the alphabets of any language. As usual in English there are 26 characters. These all 26 characters exist in French as well, but with a different pronunciation. I'm going to just let you know about this stuff later on, but before that you need to understand like what we call the alphabets in French. In French we call it les alphabets. Les alphabets. Why do we pronounce it so? It can be a kind of question. So let me tell you, this is a format that exists in English as well. As usual, we understand if there are two words together, first ends with a consonant and second one starts with a vowel. So we take the last consonant sound to the first initial sound, we combine it together and pronounce it. So we don't call it les alphabets, we call it les alphabets. Les alphabets. As I spoke out, like the pronunciation differs, so you need to know about the right pronunciation of all the characters or all the alphabets. So listen to me carefully and repeat after me. Start speaking. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the 26 characters which exist in French. If you understand the right pronunciation of the words, which is going to help you later on while pronouncing the words, and the combination of words would lead you to the sentences. The combination of sentences would lead you to the paragraph as well. So that is the beginning of it. So just continue with this stuff, and if you don't understand, you can repeat it again.
I hope you like the video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And to get notification, click on the bell icon.